Hi everyone, Dr. Nicole Nemeth here at Plastic Surgery Westchester. Today I'm going to talk about tummy tucks and abdominoplasties, and in particular, you have a lot of questions about the scars. So let's start with where we place the scar. The scar is going to be placed as low as possible in the lower part of your abdomen. The goal here is obviously to keep it low and to allow it to be kind of hidden within the pant line or in undergarments, for example. But we really want to remove a lot of that skin and tissue excess on the lower part of your abdomen from just above the belly button on down to that incision. Now, what happens to your belly button? That's a good question. So for most techniques, what we're going to do is keep your belly button attached. We're going to remove that skin and tissue excess. We're going to repair that muscle separation or rectus diastasis, and we're going to make a new home after we pull that skin tight. We're going to make a new home for your belly button. The idea here, and we think that the most aesthetically pleasing result may be that a belly button has a little bit of a vertical orientation and is slightly tucked in. So a lot of times we can hide that scar and actually make the belly button look quite good after the tummy tuck. The last thing that you guys want to know about are stretch marks and what happens with them during the surgery. So if the stretch marks or striae are on that lower part of the abdomen, and it's very possible then that we can remove them when we're removing that tissue excess. But keep in mind, if the stretch marks are higher or above the belly button or out on the sides, that you may still have some, and they might be pulled a little bit lower, but we may not be able to remove all of them during the surgery. When the time is right, of course, we're going to talk to you about scar management, such as scar fade modalities with a scar fade cream, scar massage, and silicone sheeting. So we'll make sure that you have all the information and techniques so that your scars heal as good as possible.